Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand the consolidation feature of Excel. The consolidate feature in Excel allows you to combine data from multiple ranges or worksheets into one summary worksheet. It's helpful when you have a related information in different sheets or workbooks that you want to bring together for analysis or reporting purposes. Now, how we can use consolidated feature in Excel? We will see this thing by example. In this worksheet, we are having a data of John, Freddie, Peter, Douglas. These are their sales figure for the month of January, February, March, April. Again, we are having a data for 2019. Make sure that the location of the data is different. 2020, the data location is different. We want to consolidate. We want to club all these three data into one. So click here and create a new worksheet. Right click, give the name Consolidate. Make sure that your cursor is on A1. I'll zoom it. Now activate the Consolidate feature from here. Click on 2018. Select the range. Press Add. Now you go in 2019. Select the data. Press Add. Make sure that the range of the data selected in all these three worksheets is same. Again, click on 2020, select the range of the data and press Add. You have to remain on this worksheet, the last data which you have selected. Don't go on Consolidate. Activate top row, left column, create links to source data, click OK. Done. You can see here that we are having the submitted data of John for the year 2018, 19, and 20. It's a summation. Similarly, for Freddie, Peter, and Douglas. This feature is so dynamic that whatever changes which I make in 2018, 19, or 20, it will be immediately reflected in consolidated data. So at present, John, the consolidated data, the sales figure is 62. Let's make a change in 2018 and increase by 30. So there it will be now 72. Let's check it. Perfect. Again, I'll make it 20. It will become 62. Perfect. Now, if I want to have a breakup of the data, so press this plus sign. John, it's breakup of 2018, 19, 20. Freddie, Peter, Douglas. You can expand or collapse the data from here. Press 1 or 2. If you don't want these links, then remove the tick mark and you will not get the uh, links. The consolidation feature is so dynamic that even if the chronology of the data is different, let's say Freddie is in the last column and Douglas is in the second column, then also the consolidated feature will identify the relative rows and columns and do the summation for you. So this was all about consolidate feature in Excel. Please subscribe to my channel. For more videos on Excel, kindly refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Excel. Please don't forget to share and like my video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, link given in the description box.